Hey everyone, it's Juli. Welcome back to the Sarasota Edit. Today we are headed over to Kokomo Yacht Club for the second part in our series, No Boat, No Problem.
We are Brian and Peggy Crotty. We're the owners and founders of Kokomo Charters and Kokomo Yacht Club. The charter side of the business is what we really focus on for an event-based type of thing. When you're looking for once or twice a year, you're going out for a birthday, an anniversary, you're here on vacation, something that, boating isn't part of your lifestyle, you're just looking to be able to have an amazing day on the water. Everything we do is full luxury. It's all captained. The larger boats are mated. We have a few different offerings from the types of boats that we have.
You have anywhere from a 35-foot boat to a sailing catamaran to this 50-foot power catamaran or a 63-foot Prestige. And the nice thing about that is anytime you go out, you can have a completely different experience for the day. And we have wonderful staff that will just pamper you and make you have a wonderful day.
Our smallest vessel starts at 35 feet. Most of the other folks you see in town stop at 23 to 24 feet. Comes with an overall captain. There's always a front bow open, bathrooms on all of them. And we typically offer half day, full day, sunset, or multi-day charters depending on the type of vessel you have. It's KokomoCharters.com. You'll see hundreds and hundreds of 5-star reviews. We're very proud of it. We're all about the customer experience. Everything we do is full concierge. So you can end up having anything from just the basics of the captain take care of you to we've got private chefs, we've got live music that can be on board. We can do all the full provisioning, catering, you name it. We can end up doing it for you. We're based right here out of the Quay, which is right behind Ocean Prime and the Ritz Residences. It is the premier location in all of Sarasota. If we shift to our boat club, that's called Kokomo Yacht Club. And that takes boating to a whole other level. And that's where you focus on boating as a lifestyle rather than as an event, where you want it to be part of your lifestyle. You define how much that is. And we've got 4 different tiers of membership to allow you total flexibility to choose how to be able to go, how much you want to be able to get on the water and what you want to be able to get on the water with. It's the same fleet that we use. There's a dozen plus vessels that are here, and it's half day, full day, sunset, and multi-day. And those multi-days can be anywhere from a couple days, nice quick trip to St. Pete and back or Boca Grande and back, to 3, 4, 5, even 7 days down to the Keys. And so you choose your level of membership depending on how much boating you want as part of your lifestyle. And every vessel has a certain number of points allocated to it for half-day outings. And part of the benefit of what we do versus some of the other clubs that are around, you just get on the boat, you enjoy your day, you get off the boat, we take care of everything for you. You can have the pure joy of boating without any of the headache or hassle of ownership of your own vessel. And from a membership, it is a private membership. You have to join, it's a club. But once you join, you get full concierge level services. You have the ability to be able to book everything online. You have 2 years to be able to use your points as long as you remain a member, and it's very, very simple. There's nothing like it that's in the market today. We're very excited about the yacht club side, but hey, if you're not looking for it as a overall part of your lifestyle and you just want to do a single celebration of whatever that may be, we also have the charter business, which is wildly successful in the area as well.
Stay tuned for part 3 in this series, where we visit a locally owned sailboat charter.